Good morning, dear students. Today I welcome and congratulate you for choosing the commerce stream. Okay, so I am Tony Jose and I will be teaching you business studies. And today onwards we are going to start our classes. Okay, so you have been studying, and you might be like in the 10th class you might have a lot amount of confusion for choosing what subject. Okay, or which stream has to be taken. So till up to 10th class there was no any kind of confusion, because you were going in a straight path. There was no separate options. But now when you come to the 10th class, there is a division. So you might have studied in the previous classes like a rod not taken, there was a poem. So in that poem it says that there are two roads, and as the author, he is standing in between, and he is thinking about which road to be chosen. And once if you choose this one, you cannot go back, or once if you start traveling in one direction, you cannot come back and go in another direction, because it is our life. Okay, so as our life, we have also now after completing a 10th, you are standing in a position where you have three roads. Okay, so three roads, and it can be broadly divided into two. Okay, so that is, one is science stream, another one is a commerce stream. Okay, so in science, if you go to the science, again there are two more are there, like PCM and PCB. Okay, and this is a very important decision that we have to make, because our entire studies are connected with this one. So we should understand that if you go in this line, what are the benefits are there, what are the problems are there, and also you should understand what is the benefit of joining in this stream. So you should go along with that. You have to conduct, you have to study about that, and after that, I know that you have chosen after conducting a lot amount of survey or a lot amount of studies like that. Okay, and so I welcome you to the commerce stream, since you have chosen this one. And in this we are mostly connecting with business. Okay, so we know this is one of the important subject in that we have to study. There are three main subjects that we are studying mainly, like business, economics, and accountancy. So accountancy is somewhat connected with mathematics. Business is fully related to the theory, and economics also is there in that little bit amount of theory, as well as a mixture of theory and mathematics, problem solving, and all are there. Okay, so when you choose this one, when you take this one, there are some people, they say that there are no much job opportunities, and all. It is not like that. There are plenty of job opportunities are there, as well as plenty of scope is there for this one. After completing your plus 2, you can go for your future studies, and you can do your studies up to any level. There is no any kind of issues. You can continue studies, and after that also the plenty of job opportunities are there. Okay, you know, nowadays business is one of the most or this is the one of the best growing concern or growing thing in this world. So by doing business, everything has become business nowadays, isn't it? So now if you see anything, if you take, there is a business in that. Okay, so like we are studying in that also, there are some businesses are this, like you are getting some books, so that there are some trades are there. So there are so many connection with the business is there. So imagine that when you study, when you hear the word business, what is business? Okay, so there is something that comes in your mind. Okay, so first of all, we have to say that always, whether you are a commerce student, whether you are a science student, or whatever may be there, wherever, whatever life you are doing, everywhere you need to study, or you need to connect with the business, isn't it? See, early morning you get up, you take a toothbrush. Okay, it is a product. It is a product of a business. Okay, a company is manufacturing a toothbrush and give you. Again, you apply toothpaste. So there is also, it is also made by a company, isn't it? So that is a business. Again, you use your toilet articles are there, and after that you come through maybe bus or car or cycle or anything. That is also product. So throughout your day, you are in one day, you are at least connecting with around maybe around 200 products. You can just calculate. Okay, so early morning when you get up onwards, whatever things you are touching, if board. It is a product. Chalk, you are writing. See, like I am taking a class, I am using a camera, camera or a mobile phone is there, and a stand is there, book is there. All these things are product. So in one room, when we are standing, in this itself, we can find around 100 products. Isn't it? So all these type of things are connected with the business. Isn't it? So we have to understand how this business is there, how this, what is business, all these type of things we are going to study in this year. Okay, so we have the book is there, and in the first chapter, the name of the chapter is written there. Chapter 1 is about business, trade, and commerce. So there are three main things. Like when you just hear business, it is like a business is again classified. We can say that business is a part of two things are there, like trade and commerce. So two things are there. Business does not simply mean that, see, like when you hear the word business, you may see that it is just like purchasing and selling. So selling of product, that is the business. So you may think like that. But it is not just that. Okay, that is also part of this one. But not only that. So there are so many things included in the business. So let us study what is a business and how. So like it is the beginning of this chapter, and now we are going to have an introduction about that. So in that chapter, in the beginning, there is a conversation given there in a box. Let us see that. So it is like a communication, like it is there. So there are three students, and they are discussing. 4 students are there, and they are discussing something. Imran, Manpreet, Joseph, and Priyanka, 4 members are there, have been classmates in class 10. After their exams are over, they happen to meet a common friend, Ruchika's house. Just when they were sharing their experiments of examination days, Ruchika's father, Raghuraj Chaudhary, intervenes and asks about their well-being. He also inquires about their career plans, but none of them had a definite reply. Raghuraj, who himself is a successful businessman, tells them about business as a career opportunity. Joseph gets excited by the idea and says, yes, business is really good for making lots of money. Okay, so there is a conversation between 4 members. There are few members are there, 4 or 5 members are there. So classmates, they have completed their 10th class and they have joined in a family, and they were discussing. And one of their father, in their Ruchika's house, they were there, and Ruchika's father was there, and he is a successful businessman. So he asked these students, what is your idea after completing your studies, what you are going to do? Many of the students nowadays are having no idea about what you have to do. So even though you have chosen commerce as your option, you may not have a clear idea that what you have to do or what you have to become. May not be a idea after completing what you will be. So, but you have to make a decision that after completing my decision, I will become that. So you should have a proper plan and go forward with that. So then the answer that one person is telling is that business is a way of making lot of money. Raghuraj tells them that there is a lot more to business than merely money. So see, like this is the common idea, general idea of people, that when you hear the word business, it is just making money. So simply making money is not a business, or we cannot say that just by doing business or simple business, there is no any only chance of money is not there. There is a lot amount of chance of risks are there. There is a losses are there. So there can be huge loss. Okay. Or there is, you cannot say that 100% it is there that you can make a lot amount of money. There are some, we know only about the successful businessmen, and they have made a lot amount of money, but there are so many things that we have to understand or study. Business activities led to growth and development of any country, he added. He further tells them that the roots of business activities can be traced back to ancient times, and how trading helps in the prosperity of Indian subcontinent. Priyanka said that they have read about Silk Route in their history textbooks. Raghuraj then gets busy with his day-to-day task. However, the 4 classmates begin raising questions. The conversation of the 4 classmates focused on how trading activities were conducted during ancient times? How far can the roots of trading activities be traced? Why was the Indian subcontinent referred to as Swaran Bharat and Swaran Dweep by then travelers to India? What made Columbus and Vasco da Gama undertake journeys to locate India? They decided to meet the commerce teacher of their school to find out answer to many questions about the development, nature and purpose of business. So when you hear about a business, you just, as it is there in these students, there are 4 students are there, they are discussing and they heard about some things. So see, like this may be the idea of you also. So you have heard about business and you know that it is the method of making money, isn't it? But that is not just making money or just doing the things. So you have to understand. So when you have to study about business, how business started, we have to understand. So earlier, many thousands of years ago, many years ago, there was business. Okay, so business was there. So business started many years ago, thousands of years ago. At that time, there was a business, and the first business started, or first method of business was like a barter system. Okay, so first see, like you have studied in the history that people were moving from one place to another, and then after that they were collecting fruits and they were killing animals and eating, and they were living just like animals. Okay, after that they started settling in one place and they started cultivating. But they found that it is very difficult to cultivate everything required for us. Just imagine that in our house, whatever things that are there, in that there is in my house, if you come say that there is not even a single product that I have produced or I have made. Everything is purchased. Or food items are there. In your house, so those who are farmers or people, those who are having some land and all, they may be like some rice or wheat or other vegetables, other things are there that might be produced by you. Okay, but most of the products that we get, most of the products that we see is purchased from the market, isn't it? So it became so like in the ancient times when they started doing business like that. So when they start settling in one place, they thought of producing the things which is required for them, but they found that it is very difficult for them to produce everything required for their life. So what they did is that, see, like some people started cultivating something and that they sold it to another person and purchased another thing. So such a way the barter system came into existence. Okay. So but barter system was not that successful, because see, like if I have to sell rice and I need a vegetable. So but there should be a person who is ready to receive rice and sell vegetables, or who is having vegetables to sell and who wants to get rice in return. So we have to finding this person, it become very much complicated. Okay, so after that such a kind of problems came into existence, so that's why the money came into existence. So such a way the business has been growing. So from that time onwards the business has been growing, and now the business has reached into such a position that just by sitting in our home itself, just by clicking on a mobile phone, you can get anything that you want. So that is the situation nowadays. Anything that you want in this world will be available in your doorstep by making a phone call or just by clicking in your mobile phone itself. So those such kind of advancement has been there. So the business has grown into that tremendous stage that they can even understand what is in my mind. A product will be coming. See, like one day you will be imagining that if I had such a product, so you may be thinking about that product, and you will find that after few days such kind of a product will be available in the market, isn't it? So that is the business. So what is going on in the minds of the people, that is understood by the business people, and they make it available in the market. So such kind of activities are there. So we will discuss about how this business has been started, or initial stage of this one. So all these type of things we will be discussing in the chapter. In this chapter we will study about these things. Okay. Thank you so much.